This is the EPSON DS-32000 series scanner, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the pickup and separation rollers. It's recommended that you replace the rollers when you see a replacement message displayed on your screen, but if you experience intermittent paper jams, clean the rollers. If this does not resolve the problem, you may need to replace the rollers sooner. Before replacing your rollers, make sure you have the correct replacement roller kit for your scanner. To begin, open up the input and output tray on your scanner. Then, push the lever in the top right to open up the front cover of your scanner. To remove the pickup roller, press the tab down to release the pickup roller faceplate. To remove the roller, unclip the blue holder, slide the roller out, and lift. Once your rollers are out, put the new rollers on. Make sure the end of the axle goes into the rivet. Slide this roller back down so the gear lines up, and then clip the blue clip in. When your roller is back in, replace the cover by sliding the pins down and clipping in. On the other side of the scanner, squeeze the tabs in to remove the faceplate. To remove the axle, grab the roller and slide out. Once you've removed the rollers, you can replace the bad rollers with your new ones. To put the axle back in, align the flat part of the axle with the flat part of the rivet and drop it in. Lastly, close the separation cover. When you've replaced both sets of rollers, you can close the scanner back up. This concludes replacing your rollers on an EPSON DS-32000 series scanner.